What is up, guys? Before we get started in today's video, I just want to let you guys know you only have 10 days left to enter the throtl VIP sweepstakes for February. We're giving away $5,000. All you have to do to get entered to win is join throtl VIP. It'll be the top link in this video. Go check it out. Time to get on to the video. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Today I just picked up the E36 M3 and I'm bringing it to its first car show in Rancho Santa Fe to Secret Car Club. So if you guys aren't familiar with this show, people bring their Enzos, their GT3 RSs, their Ford GTs, and I'm gonna show up in the ugliest car at the car show. Mickey brought the EG down, yes. I'm gonna do a full walk around with that in just a minute. Let's see what these chachas are doing in here. Woo! Oh, hey, how you doing? Oh, nice Saturday. Wheels. Those are sick. Dang. Those are tight. Hey, shush. Calvin. One day. He'll finish.
Shop.throtl.com.
Stop stealing content. Are you live streaming? Hey, no, back away. Back away. Back away.
Let me see what you
Back
do.
away. Top secret information.
Come to Calvin.com. Calvin.com. Get your fenders welded.
Shop.throtl.com.
You can't ban me in real life, have you?
All right, so you guys probably have seen Mickey's car here and there on our channel. There is a video, the 5 things Mickey loves about his EG. I'll put the card up there if you want to go check that out. But what I want you guys to do is if we get 1,000 likes on this video, we will do a full feature. Maybe we'll have Dustin do like a really nice cinematic of this car and Mickey can explain all the stuff that's done. But I'll give you a brief overview for my general knowledge while Mickey's inside, and then if this video gets 1,000 likes, we'll make that video. This valve cover is extremely rare. We actually just saw one go up for sale on throtl. It was $4,000. This is the Mugen intake, Mugen strut bar. I mean, if you guys don't know, this entire car came totally in shambles, essentially. Chaperone Auto Body in San Diego redid the entire exterior. It has a center lock conversion with the Hayashi racing wheels. Kind of an interesting fact, Hayashi actually turned into HRE performance wheels. So that's where it came from, Japanese brand. These are super rare, obviously refinished.
They're made in 1984 for a Toyota Corolla, and I got them brand new in the box. They were sitting on the
Don't you have another set too?
I have 2 sets. Yeah. The other set is stock silver with the original decals in it.
Yeah, I don't think I've never seen these wheels on anything else before. Super rare. You just got that JDM flare though.
One eternity later.
All right, so now it is time to talk about the title of this YouTube video. I know a bunch of you guys are wondering. Yes, it is true. I am going to be listing up the E90 for sale on throtl. The link will be in the description by the time this video is posted. So let me tell you a lot of the reasons why I'm going to sell this car. First up, you guys seem to love this type of content, and I would say for the most part, this car is almost completed as far as restoring it back to its original condition. So we did a lot of really awesome mods. I'll put a card up there as well if you guys have not seen any of the progress made on this car. But we started off with a pretty rough daily driver. We did a fuel injector, we did a bunch of body stuff, we did removing the window tint, new wheels, etc., etc. And besides installing new brakes, this car, as far as I'm concerned, is completed, and I'm ready to move on to the next project. We made some awesome improvements for a relatively low cost, and you guys really love this whole build series. So another reason why I'm selling this car is because I found something else that I think you guys are gonna like even more. Now, I'm not gonna tell you guys about it just yet. You're just gonna have to wait. So if you are interested in this car, please check it out. Definitely follow my throtl shop as well. Consider it like a YouTube subscription. Anytime I post something, you'll be notified. You can hit me up as the first potential buyer and get yourself whatever I'm selling. A good friend of mine is going to be telling you all about the specs of this car, so let me just go ahead and call him over. Come on. All right, well, welcome. So why don't you go ahead and tell these guys all about the E90. What is up, guys? Evan here from Throtl, and what's cool about this car is that it's a single owner car. It is a clean title, just over 117,000 miles. Wood grain interior, sapphire black metallic outside, black leather on the inside. And it's honestly hard to find a single owner car. I knew the original owner very well of this car. I know he took care of it, took it to the BMW dealership for everything. So yeah, I am the second owner, but my best friend was the first owner and he took really great care of this car. All right, so we're gonna do kind of a full walk around. This is full transparency of the car. Any additional details will be listed in the Throtl listing, but I'll let you guys take a quick look at the entire car, and any of the imperfections that I see, I will try to mention on this video here. So coming around the back here, there is a tiny imperfection in the rear bumper here. I don't know if someone dinged them in a parking lot or something like that. A little bit of a paint chip, but honestly, you know, smaller than my thumb here. Not very noticeable. Moving around this side, you guys notice obviously the 335i wheels, the new window trim. There is a curb mark on this door here. This is, unfortunately, there's not too much I can do about that. When you do polish it, it kind of depends on the angle that you see it, whether or not you see it or not, but you know, it is there, so I want to mention that. Coming around to the front, very typical on these cars is a little bit of a scrape underneath, although I did paint that with a spray paint on the bottom to hide anything there. A little paint chip right here. This got the freshly painted front grills here with the new BMW emblem, and the headlight has been polished, so that looks great. On the front bumper here, there is some spider cracking in the paint. That's from that fender accident that it had, but overall it's really not too bad. You really can't notice that too much. This is the freshly painted driver's side front fender. That's in great condition. There's a tiny little bit of paint chipping right here on the door as well. So let's move on to the inside. The inside is extremely clean. Let me take this off. Freshly detailed by OC Detail. You guys can see that, no rips. Very, very little bolster wear here. Carpets in good condition. Same with the back. Whoa! It's clean back there. There's just a lot of stuff. Let me show you guys the engine bay. So 100% stock. There's never been any mods on this car. It honestly looks so clean under here, and everything works. So guys, honestly, this car is great, and I don't necessarily have to sell it, so don't lowball me on the price. Honestly, I'm only looking for kind of serious offers here. If you do have something for trade, I might be interested in trading as well. So go ahead, get into my direct messages on Throtl if you are interested. I'd prefer all communication to be there. Now, I will also say that I'm not going to mention the price in this video, so if you want to see the price, go ahead and check out that link. And if you have some negative comments to say about the price, please just leave it out. I probably will delete them if they're very aggressive or negative. Please leave that to it. I've done a lot of research on what is the going price for this car and how much is this car worth in the current condition. Now, I will say I know the car is not perfect, and I'm not trying to exploit anything on YouTube to try to raise the price or anything like that. I'm trying to get a fair price for this car so I can move on to my next project car. If you guys like what you saw in this video, if you're interested in the car, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys in the next one.